Next one is payment made by petty cash, conveyance, staff welfare, postage, stationeries. Here I am selecting petty cash and we have to create all these ledgers. So press Alt C. Here I am giving conveyance and it goes under indirect expenses. Click on accept and the amount is 500 rupees. Next one is staff welfare and it goes under indirect expenses. Click on accept and the amount is 300 rupees. Next one is postage and it goes under indirect expenses. Click on accept and the amount is 200 rupees. And last one is stationeries and it goes under indirect expenses and click on accept and the amount is 800 rupees. So all these transactions are made through petty cash. Next transaction is cash withdrawn from bank 1 lakh rupees. And this transaction is between cash and bank, so we have to select contra voucher. Here I am selecting cash SBI and the amount is 1 lakh rupees. Here we can observe that cash balance is increased up to 2,46,750 rupees and the bank balance shows 1000 rupees. Next transaction is cash deposited in bank 80,000 rupees. In contra voucher, here I am selecting SBI cash and the amount is 80,000 rupees. Here we can see bank balance is increased automatically. Next transaction is stationery purchased from Priya stores for 1500 rupees on credit. So select purchase voucher. Here I am selecting as voucher. We did not create Priya stores ledger. So now I am creating it. Press Alt C. Here I am giving Priya stores and here I am selecting sundry creditors. Click on accept and the amount is 1500 rupees. New reference by credit purchases and here we did not mention any stationery items and finally click on accept. Next one is depreciation 10% on furniture and 20% on computers. Depreciation is a indirect expenses and we have to create depreciation ledger and select journal voucher. So press Alt C. Here I am giving depreciation and it goes under indirect expenses and finally click on accept. By depreciation 1800 rupees to furniture 1800 rupees. In same way depreciation on computers by depreciation 6000 rupees to computers 6000 rupees and click on accept. Now we completed all the transactions and we can check all the reports in Tally. Now I am selecting balance sheet. Here we can see liabilities and assets clearly. In same way we can see profit and loss account. In display we can see trail balance, current accounts, opening stock. We can check all these options clearly. In current assets, closing stock is 37,100 rupees and these are the closing balances at last. And we can see balance amount in sundry debtors and in sundry creditors. So we can check all the reports easily in Tally.